In 2007, Niagara College partnered with Matcore Technologies and OCE to basically undertake a project whereby we would be cutting LCDs to make them smaller. And the purpose of this is being able to make smaller LCDs for specific industrial applications using fairly standard off-the-shelf displays that are actually rather inexpensive. The second aspect of the project is to actually look at just removing the edge glass, which is an extra area of the display that is not an active area, but is just basically waste material, to be able to tile the display so that we can actually make very large displays for advertising and entertainment type applications as well. The robot you see behind me is a high-precision linear motor system on a gantry, and we're able to control the movements down to a micron level precision. As well, with the rotational stage, we're able to very precisely align the display for cutting. With the technology that we're going to be using, we'll actually be cutting the displays with a laser. Initially, we were looking at using a mechanical or a rotary type cutting like a wafer dicing saw. But because of the necessity to cut one surface, flip it over and cut the back, the realignment was too cumbersome. So we're looking at a single pass laser cut through the two panes of glass and also resealing at the same time. The exciting aspect for me is to be able to get a lot of students involved in this, and it's really a multidisciplinary project whereby we have photonics students working on the laser cutting end of things. We have an electronics student working on getting the controllers and the motors to communicate and to really come up with the basic system. And we also are getting some computer students involved as well to be able to control the system on a repetitive nature.
It's really exciting working on the projects. I learn a lot of things that I wouldn't otherwise have done in class. It's overwhelming at times working on a robot like this. I've never worked on a robot like this before, so the learning curve was quite steep, but it's a lot of research, a lot of conversations on the phone with tech people, learning how to control them and just learning how they work and how to put them together. I think the best part of the experience is just the wealth of resources that are here at the college. A lot of professors are more than happy to help me with anything I need and have actually done a few things for me and come up with ideas for me about the robot.
Well, I've broadened my knowledge of electronics and mechanics quite a bit by working on the LCD project. I've also had more hands-on experience in like optical design software and whatnot, which we did in class, but not extensively. Well, all the great hands-on, really. Using the high-powered lasers at this school, not too many people, even in a university setting, have that opportunity. Richard Wood, who's actually teaching at this school, he's from Matcore, and he's provided quite a bit of background knowledge with LCD technology, which I was unaware of even through my studies here.